Hi everyone, my name is Lizzy. I'm the coach of Itzy team, and first of all I want to say thank you because of your support about our first tutorial. We didn't expect that and it was so happy for us, and today I want to teach you new Itzy's choreography sneakers. Hopefully you like it, so let's start. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, yeah. Let's go. Like what? 새로운 기분 I like that. 고민 따윈 already done. 색감각이고 보는 게 재치. That's not my fault. Whoa. 도저히 I don't care though. 내 멋대로 갈 거야. 필요 없어 older. Don't need no guidance. I'm making my way. I'm on my way. Run to the top. 난 언제든 straight. 원래 두려운 게 없어 난.
And we do bridge part. 1 and 2 and trouble. Bum 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 bum. Hey hey. Bum 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 bum. Hop hey. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we do horse part.
So 난 상관없어. Call me trouble or you can call me weirdo. 나로 살고 싶어. 손끝을 어울린 채로 다가질 듯한 attitude. 그거면 돼.
Chorus part is really catchy. It's not hard, but you should be careful with leg moves and hand moves. So we did pam pam pum tick tick and pam pam 5, 6, 7, 8. Put my sneakers on. 하나 둘 pam pam pam. Put my sneakers on and beat 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 beat. Put my sneakers on. Tick, pam, pam, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8.
Put my sneakers on. 하나 둘 ready get set go. Put my sneakers on. Yeah yeah. Put my sneakers on. 하나 둘 ready get set go. 빨리 가보자고 yeah yeah. Yeah yeah.
Let's go verse 2. We did and 5 and 7. Okay. 5 and 7. Anyway. So, boom. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. It was stand up, wave. Don't stop. I think so. Who, hop. And who and whom and whom, hey. Whom, Yuna's part, and then we do Leah's part. We do whom, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. It was like Itzy, yeah. Whom, Itzy, something like that. And then we do Leah's part. 6, come. Aliyah doing her part. At the same time, girls are doing boom and then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. My besties yet to come. And the second verse of this we did boom and boom and boom and hop and boom, and we do boom and boom hop, and then besties yet to come.
Yeah, yeah. 이던 순간 stand up, stand up. 빨리 뛰는 심장. Don't stop, get loose. 불태워 지금 my groove, 지금 my youth. The party ain't started. 시작도 안 했어 난. 요즘 꽃은 마리아나 Itzy. My besties yet to come. My groove, 지금 my youth. The party ain't started. 시작도 안 했어 난. 요즘 꽃은 마리아나 Itzy. My besties yet to come. The party ain't started. 시작도 안 했어 난. 요즘 꽃은 마리아나 Itzy. My besties yet to come.
Number 2, we did my besties yet to come. Boom, enter, trouble, tap, bam, 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 boom, boom, ta-da, ta-da, boom, and we sit down. For here, this one, hop, boom, hop, 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 tick, tick, like the first one, boom, tan, tan, boom, circle, bam, accent, go, 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 and the first two, it's absolutely the same as the first one.
Yet to come. Love, so call me trouble, or you can call me weirdo. 나로 살고 싶어. 똑같을 지가 어울린 채로 다 가질 듯한 attitude 그거면 돼. Put my sneakers on. 하나 둘 ready get set go. Put my sneakers on. That's right. Yeah, yeah. Put my sneakers on. 하나 둘 ready get set go. 빨리 가보자고. Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Dance break, let's go. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Faster, faster, boom, boom, wave, bam, bam. Step, 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 and yeah, alright. And step, and circle. And then we do an accent, accent, accent. And then we do full sneakers on.
Yeah, yeah. 새롭게 뛰고 싶어 다른 사람 시선들 don't care now. 어디까지 가게 될지 모르지만 일단은 start right now. Yeah, alright. 멈추지 마 to the top. Don't worry about it 'cause you know I put my sneakers on.
Okay, the last piece will be the third bridge and the ending from the yeah, alright. Okay, we did it. Put my sneakers on and bam, bam, call me trouble. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, bam, 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 hop, bam, bam. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. Step, step, step. You better put your sneakers on. And then we do the chorus same like the first one. Then we do dance break same like the first one. So we did bam and boom, ta ta boom. 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, crown, crown, and then beautiful ending. Pam pam pam. Hey.
Put my sneakers on. 상관없어. Call me trouble. Or you can call me weirdo. 나로 살고 싶어. 손끝을 지켜 올린 채로 다가질 듯한 attitude. 그거면 돼. You better put your sneakers on. Put my sneakers on. 하나 둘 ready get set go. Put my sneakers on. Put 'em on. Yeah, yeah. Put my sneakers on. 하나 둘 ready get set go. 멀리 가보자고 yeah yeah. Put 'em on. Yeah, yeah. 자유롭게 뛰고 싶어 다른 사람 시선들 don't care now. 어디까지 가게 될지 모르지만 일단 start right now. Yeah, alright. 멈추지 마 to the top. 같이 걸어가 보자고. Yeah, yeah.
Thank you so much for watching. I wish it was helpful. If you like it, please let us know with your likes and comments, and also subscribe our channel. Bye!